Birbal and the cooking pot. Akbar, Birbal, courtiers, washerman, drummer, messenger, child, people. Washerman's wife. Scene 1. It is morning and the view is of a palace balcony overlooking a river. Akbar and Birbal are walking up and down the balcony.
Birbal, I have heard that the water in this river is very cold. Is it true?
Yes, Your Majesty.
If a man stood in this water for one whole night, would he die?
Certainly, Your Majesty. No ordinary man could survive this cold.
Well, here is my chance to test the strength of the common man in my kingdom. Birbal, listen.
The emperor whispers into Birbal's ear. Birbal shows surprise, then nods. Scene 2. In the afternoon, in a busy part of the town, a drummer beats his drum loudly and people gather round him.
Listen, listen. The great Emperor Akbar's reward. Anyone who can stand for one night in the river near the palace will be richly rewarded.
On the pavements, people stop and talk excitedly. Impossible. Who will do it? Shall we try? Too risky. A poor washerman whispers to his wife.
This is a good chance. If I get this reward, we can live well.
No, I don't want that. You will freeze to death and I'll be left alone to cry.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to me. After all, I wash clothes in the cold water of the river every day.
Scene 3. It is night and the washerman is standing in the middle of the river. The reflection of lights from the palace can be seen in the water. Some people come and look at him, shake their heads and go away. Some people say,
Poor man, he will die before the night is out.
A foolish thing to do. Well, let us pray for him.
Scene 4. The next morning, the washerman, alive and well, walks out of the river. Thank God, he is alive. Lucky man to get the reward.
Oh, I was so worried about you. Father, you're so brave. Will the emperor reward you now?
Yes, of course. Didn't I pass the test?
Scene 5. At the court, Emperor Akbar is seated on his throne and Birbal is near him. The courtiers and the guards are in place. The washerman enters with his family and bows before Akbar.
We are very happy with you, young man. You have proved your strength. Come, take your reward.
A man enters with a silver tray full of coins. As Akbar is about to give the coins to the washerman.
Your Majesty, this man does not deserve the reward, for the water was not really cold. You see, the lights from your palace kept it warm. You do have a point. Well, if that is so, then there is no question of a reward.
The washerman goes away sadly with his family. The jealous courtier smiles wickedly. Birbal looks very upset and angry. Scene 6. The next day at Akbar's court, Birbal's seat is empty.
This is the first time Birbal is late for the court. Messenger, go and find out the reason for his absence.
The messenger bows and goes away. He returns in a while.
Your Majesty, the minister is in his house. He says he is cooking his food and it will take a long time to do so.
Akbar angrily.
What nonsense! How can food take so long to cook? I shall go and see for myself.
The emperor gets up and walks quickly, followed by some courtiers and guards. Scene 7. Birbal is sitting near a fire on the ground. Far above it, on a branch of a tree, is a cooking pot. As the emperor approaches, Birbal rises and bows to him.
Birbal, what a foolish thing to do! How can this fire warm your cooking pot?
In the same way, your majesty, as the light from your palace had made the water of the river warm.
Akbar laughs as he understands what Birbal is trying to say. Scene 8. The next day, the washerman and his family are present at Akbar's court. Akbar hands the tray of coins to Birbal, who gives it to the washerman. People cheer and clap. The washerman smiles and bows before the emperor.